manananggal ng katotohanan, kalahating katotohanan. And because why? Because half-truth are easily be digested for our mind. Madali kasi paniwalaan, mas magandang pakinggan, pag-usapan ang kalahating katotohanan. Diba? But to know the whole truth, para malaman ang buong katotohanan, you have to really reflect. You have to pray, and you have to see both sides of the coin, sabi nga niya. And tayo, nahihirapan tayo doon. Na tayong difficulty na mag-reflect, magtanong, at alamin, tinood ba yun? Totoo ba? Ang sinabi ni sister, ni brother, ni mother, we do not reflect. We just accept, especially, lalo na kung yung nagsabi against dun sa isang taong kagalit natin o against dun sa meron na yun, we readily accept that half-truth. And half-truth is not truth at all. Half-truth is a lie. Kasi mga